welcome to another episode of Mach Fishing. In this episode, I'd crab again in 4 to 6.5 feet of water, and I would end up catching a half a bushel of crabs. I would crab the eastern shore with a 600-foot trout line baited with chicken necks. It rained earlier in the week, bringing in a lot of fresh water. We would be blessed with a good weather forecast for today, but we were unsure of how the earlier rain and fresh water would affect the crabbing.
Let me turn.
Terrible at going straight. I'm like all zigzag.
Yeah, I know. So I was just watching just in case you needed help. I was just watching in case you needed help. Get this ready.
You gonna run it?
Yeah, I'm gonna run it. See what happens. If there's nothing, because you gotta run it often, because them baby ones, man, you gotta run it often because those babies, they start eating up that bait. Might be small. Might be small. Just released the baby one.
Just one.
All right, well, we know they're there then.
Another baby. I got a baby one. They were holding on to the line in the middle, like the bait wasn't there.
Gotcha. Oh. Okay, so you got one female in there.
Yeah, so they were baiting, holding on to the line. Maybe I just kind of, they got caught up on the line.
Right. Hello?
How many you got?
Maybe 4.
Okay, mine should be in the parking lot by now.
Yeah, this is my first run.
Okay. Mine's doing alarm hitting alarm.
What's that?
My new alarm clock
Yeah.
didn't work.
Oh, wait, so you haven't left the house?
Yeah, I was thinking about maybe going exploring later during the week.
Okay, so you're not coming. Yeah, I think I probably just have only 4 keepers. That's it. But normally as the daylight gets up, they come out more. Oh, I have to keep ready.
Too small. Oh, oh, that's a keeper. I didn't even know. See if there's gonna be another one. For the anchor. Nope. No, it's not. Okay. Okay, that's the first set. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 6 on the first run. Any luck?
Huh?
Any luck?
Only 2 pairs.
I ran across 2 fishermen in a canoe. They were going for perch, but were having a hard time. So I was going to cruise by and give them a little advice and a few tips, since I knew the area.
Yep. What's up, Mike?
I got a kerfuffle.
You got what?
Kerfuffle.
What's that?
Mike was crabbing but ran into a problem. Do you notice
Okay.
anything different on his kayak? Well, he lost his net.
No way. How did you lose your net?
Well, I still have the pole, but the net actually came out of its seat. It just came out.
And did it have a float to it?
Nope.
Ah,
So I mean, I could probably fish it up somehow.
yeah.
I have the general area, but I didn't bring any rods. I have other nets, and I don't have a steel net, but I have other nets. I didn't bring any of that.
Well, I have my expanding pole. I could probably drag it a little bit, see if I could, if you know the exact spot.
Yeah, I know the general location.
Yeah, we could try that and see if we can, by chance, grab the net part.
Mike was determined to catch some crabs, so he went to a local tackle shop and bought a net. And then he came back and continued to crab.
And the ones that we were holding, this is almost like a balsa wood. Yeah, I'll move this. Well, here.
Alright, well, put something
grab me.
out for me.
All right. Okay. Pull that closer.
Okay, yeah, so I was like, oh man,
Here.
and of course I didn't bring anything. Okay, that's not too bad. Well, it's about as heavy as the one I got. The wood is heavier than this.
Right. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The wood will be heavier than that, but it's
but the
lighter
net-
than that other wood.
The net is lighter than the net I lost. The net, yeah. Oh, remember I was telling you I wanted the thinner
Okay.
netting?
Okay.
This is the thinner netting.
Well, that's what I got from Chesapeake Outdoors.
This is the thinner netting. And because mine is thicker than this, it's twice, maybe more.
Okay.
It's thicker than this, and it has thicker poles coming down.
Well, Chesapeake Outdoor is where I got it.
Okay, the water's 88 degrees. At the end of the day, crabbing was slow. I probably got half a bushel. It was much better last week. There was a lot of rain earlier in the week that I heard a commercial crabber say put a lot of fresh water down here. I noticed there was less jellyfish also. The jellyfish like salt water, and there was a noticeable difference that they weren't clogging up my basket. Anyway, it's still a good day. Nice light winds, partly cloudy, partly sunny, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna go home and steam up some crabs. Until next time. Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be alerted to when I have new videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and until next time, be sure to check out my other videos.